In this video, we will understand how to list your products and services so you don't have to enter them manually every time while creating an invoice. Let's get started. You need to create your business profile. Without completing your business profile, you won't be able to proceed or use other features of Cloudtryx Invoice. From the sidebar menu, click on Products and Services. Here, you will find two options: Add Product Service, View Products and Services. To add a new item, click on Add Product Service. Now, fill in the required details. Enter the product or service name. Select whether it is a product or a service. Add a description to explain more about your offering. You can also include additional specifications if needed. Enter the price. Select the unit of the product or service. Once all the details are filled in, click on Save Item. To view all the items you have added, go to View Products and Services. Here you can see the complete list of your products and services. You can also quickly add a new item using the Add Product option available at the top right corner. And that's it. Now you can manage all your products and services in one place, making invoice creation faster and more efficient. Thanks for watching.